Okay, so here are the latest changes that the client would like to have on this website. It's all about the banner. Everything else looks good. So let's do from the top. Please remove the email. So we need to remove the email. We will have just phone number and social media links. But if you can make, once you remove the email, if this can be into the middle. Also, this blue should be the same blue as blue in color, and the red should be the same red as in logo. Then, if we can have free home evaluation on this part, so if we can move this menu a little bit right, so we can have free home evaluation right here, but not below the logo, so it doesn't clutter. And it will be awesome. Then also add reviews from here. Make it called reviews, not testimonials, and have them here and the blog as well. If we can do that, it will be great. So that is for the top portion. For this one, what we need to do is have Team Sam Kangura name like on the top. And let's make Team Sam Kangura in blue, in the same blue, or maybe team in this red and Sam Kangura in this blue. Then this section, sellers, buyers, and everything that is here should be just right below this, a little bit bigger so it can stand out, and also in the blue-red combination, or just blue or just red. We can go with that. You can say your home sold guaranteed it in blue, or we'll buy it in red, and same here, blue, red, condition apply can be in red. Then we should remove realty brokerage. We don't need that because it's already realty brokerage, but this phone number can be here in the same size as it here. So when you remove this, maybe we can put this whole line a little bit down so we can have space for this UPS and for Team Sam Kangura. So everything here to look nice. I hope you are following me. If not, we can easily have a quick chat on Skype and do that change. And that should be the change for now. Please, if you need me, just call me back. Thanks.